Okay, today I will be showing you how to take apart the Accubanker D64 counterfeit detecting machine, which you see right here. So the first thing you have to do is you have to remove, I don't know if you can see that, these 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4, with a Phillips head screwdriver. Sorry if I'm blocking it. Okay, the last screw. Okay, now it's loose. So now it's free. Let me get that last screw out. All 4 screws are out, and after I removed all the 4 screws, now we have to get the fluorescent bulbs out, and I'll show you how to do that. So there's 4 couplers which are connected to the fluorescent bulbs. So this is the first coupler that you have to remove. So the way you remove it is just like that, and you just kind of like loosen the front part, and then just pull it out just like that. And you do the same thing for the next one. Loosen the front, take it out, loosen the other part, last one. And then I removed all 4 of the couplers from the fluorescent bulb, and the next part is quite simple. I'll show you. So you just kind of like twist it at this way, and that releases the bulb just like that. So it's like replacing a fluorescent bulb, so it goes in this way. To get it back in, and then you move it in, you push this way to lock it into place. Let's see if that's right. It's forward or backward? I'm sorry, it's backward. So align it, and then move it this direction to lock it back into place. Try it again. Hard to do on camera, but let me see if that's correct. Try to rotate that thing. Okay, that's the right way. So I'm going to remove the other one too. So I said this way. So I removed both of the bulbs. So I'm going to put them back in. Forget which direction is it, forward or backward? I'm gonna try forward, see if that works. Okay, I got a better grip. You do have to get a grip, and then you do have to push that way, so we do that with the first one. Okay, now that's locked. So I'm going to get the next one. And again, it's forward this way. You get it like that with both hands. And then rotate it forward to lock it into place. Okay, but you do have to get a grip to do that. So that's how you change the bulb. And then you put this thing back in by putting it back into the space thing. Okay, that's in. Okay, that's in. The last two. Just like that, put it in. Okay, that's in. Okay, that's in. So they're all in now. All the bulbs are in. So that's how you change the bulbs, the fluorescent bulbs on this thing. UV fluorescent bulbs on it. Now to get the screws in, it's quite simple. You just align it and put the screws in, just like that. Gotta see if that's aligned. I don't know if you could see that or not. Okay, don't tighten it all the way. So I'm going to tighten that, and I'm going to tighten the other one. So I always like to get it in diagonally. I guess it's more geometric. And don't over tighten it, just make sure it's firmly in there without over tightening it. Okay, that's pretty firm. Okay, that's firm. the last screw. That's firm. So that's how you change the bulb on this thing. It's quite simple. So if the bulb wears out, you don't have to buy a new machine. All you have to do is replace the bulb and it's good as new. Okay, thanks for watching.